Hey, Sutton. I was just working on this thing here. Let me see. Hello, Luigi. All right, today we can finally do the regional coins. Finally. I just had to look at my bottle. So what's up? What music shall we listen to today? I've been talking to Badoop about the music today, and we experimented a lot, or rather he experimented a lot, and it seems like we're gonna get a banger again. Something that really fits the level. He seems very determined to make the perfect music. Sonic Adventure 2, alright, let's do it. Hello Guildclass, hello Skyloft, hello Droid Zika. And wrist guard. Hello SPC Cosmic. Hello Magnificent Kirby. Sorry about that. Pick up masculinity right here. Hello Gabby Sue TV. You like playing my mods? That is very nice. That is good. Already like you. Just got to know you, already like you. I am blessed, thank you. Ah shit, we have to do the conversion again. You like me? Do you like my mods? Hello Ricardo. I do like your mods, then I do like you. Today I'm already feeling a lot better than I did yesterday. It's very good. Why doesn't Nintendo just hire you? Fun fact, I actually had 5 job offers in the past 2 weeks from the source code video. And I talked to one of them on Monday, and I talked to Microsoft today. I don't need the script now. Ah shit, I do need the script. I do. Alright, I'll use the script in a second. Very helpful. Yeah, Microsoft wanted to hire me. They wanted me to be the lead performance tech guy to potentially optimize Minecraft. Hey kiddos. Alright Neela, I'll get it in a second. Let me just get the frames first. Hello Vilvek. Optimize Minecraft? Yeah! It'd be really cool. Holy shit, this is loud. And I want you to optimize it. Well, they have a performance team, and they need someone to actually lead the performance team to like give guidelines on how exactly to do this. Would have to look at other people's PRs, make sure everything runs fine, test on different setups, you know, that kind of thing. Raid? Holy shit, Mitch! Thank you for the 300 people raid. That was... I basically just started streaming. Do I have something cool to show you guys? I do. Yes, Case and Manure, that's me. I need a brainy game with Mario 64? Yes. I've been working on optimizing all of audio actually, the last few days. Wait, what did I say? Did they rate with anything? I don't think so. This is what we were working on. Look at it. Look how cool it is. This level here runs almost 60 FPS on a real 64. Because it's so optimal. The Yoshi coin is work in progress, it looks ugly right now. Yep, that is exactly what my job would be, Magnificent Kirby. He's getting so famous, I hope so. And next to also just slowly walk into them. To make a ruckus. Did I study computer engineering? No. I was kinda just born with the ability to program. I studied mathematics in university. I had side courses in IT, but, you know, they were all baby mode. Yeah, and currently we're working on this part here. We made a little worm. This worm is an asshole. It's gonna taunt the birds like that. And right now we're working on regional coins, like in Odyssey. And they're gonna be Yoshi coins like this. But this doesn't look good yet. So we're gonna import new textures. There's actually a texture, not a 3D model. It doesn't work yet. Funny worm. Yep. So now it's Photoshop time. Dude. We're gonna be above 75 average views tomorrow. Yes, Zayna did re-render them. I was at 74 today, 75 tomorrow, probably. We're gonna be able to apply for partner. Wait, what? That's not what I wanted. Did I pick the wrong action? I did. There we go. So everyone's saying Minecraft runs like shit, but apparently they have a whole team dedicated to improving performance. The guy that I had an interview with told me that they recently increased the height limit in Minecraft. And apparently that made a lot of systems inefficient. So I guess that's why it runs poorly right now. Alright, let's get the script from Lila. This is the script. You saw this in my stream. Let's see if Hela sent me a virus. Did I do it wrong? Am I supposed to drag and drop it? Lila? Use the comment line. Oh god, where is this? Whoops. Huh? Python, oh. That's how it works. Nope. But no encoding declared. Maybe it's because you're on Linux or something. Non-ASCII character. Better not leak the bedrock source code. I definitely not leak any source code. That'd be dumb. There you go. The symbol is just wrong. Sneaky bug. Wait. They all got name.I. Oh god. And renamed itself. Fuck. Fuck, actually. Fuck! You see these names? What did you do to me, Lila? You know what? Whatever. It's my script. Fair. This would have been easy anyway. I guess I just have to. Fine. We'll just do this. Shit. You can change the script. I would have to also copy the textures again because I didn't back up the textures. So that is not as easy as you make it sound. Because that would be even more work. It's easier to just do this. It's faster. Because I didn't expect to have to back up the textures. I didn't look at the script. I should have looked at the script. That was my mistake. I should have just read the script. Like, that's on me. Sonic Adventure's pretty nice OST. Alright. Now we should have prettier Yoshi coins. You're losing religion right now? What? Actually, even while changing the script, it wouldn't have worked because it then increases the number. I would have had to like actually change the way the script works. That is beautiful. Look at our pretty Yoshi egg. Nice and shiny. So you'll have to find 3 of these Yoshi eggs in every level, and that will give you a star. And we remove 100 coin stars. And they're gonna stay to the file, so that you don't have to get them all in one go, right? So it's like all the exploration reward of the 100 coins, without any of the potential pain. That's the idea. There's a green line at the bottom. There is. Green line at the bottom. That should remove the green line at the bottom. We probably also want to change the color a little bit. Because this is not a good color. Let's try this color. Hello Legend. Congrats on them. That wasn't even a difficult lift, honestly. I just thought it was a fun clip. I could have lifted a lot more. Could have added 20 pounds to that. The green line is still there. Let's try this. Hello James. I just uploaded the video of 2 reps of 270 pounds to the Case Clips channel. Because I thought it would be funny, because it was synced to the Erika song. Oh yeah, this is how I wanted to look. Dude, there's still a green line. Are you kidding me? Okay, let's check whether doing it this way is even able to remove the green line. Or if I'm just cutting off the left side here, because... Yeah, actually I'm cutting off the left side. I don't need to test it. These are supposed to be minus 16. I think the vertices are rotated. That's why. You see this? These are 100. You wanna check the ones within the 0. And these are set to 2032. So we wanna set this up. Or down rather. Yeah, that's because of what we were trying. We're trying to cut off a bit at the bottom, not on the side. But doing that in a hex editor or notepad. You know, 3D modeling in notepad is not ideal. When dodging your friends with Erika. Nice. Alright, that is marginally better. I think we need to cut off more. We should be there soon. I think this is what we want. We could also add vertex colors to this, like as an additive color. It would reduce the contrast and the texture a little bit, but it should look pretty good. It's cut off again. Did I cut it off? I'm starting to get confused here. This one should be it. Okay, so if we do wanna add shade colors to this, right? Wait, what? What is this shit? Are you gonna clear it or are you gonna set it? If we don't add vertex colors to this, we can imagine that like at the bottom right now we add 0, and then at the top we could add like a slight green. That would look good for Yoshi egg. Or we could go from like slight turquoise to yellow, just as an additive color. If we do add something at the bottom, it should be a darker color than at the top. So I'm thinking we add 1F at the top, like so, and we add 001F at the bottom, because blue naturally looks darker. So this should give it a little bit of a hue transition. It might look really bad, it might look really good, it might look really bad. Hello Pablo Capo, you'll be doing well. Zane doesn't work, but I am doing well. Yeah, so I think it looks better. What do you think? But you can see how this is bluish and this is yellowish, so it's not just one color. This is gonna be on every egg color, but like it adds depth to the color, so I like it. Make it more extreme. We can't make it more extreme because that will destroy it for other colors. In case you never call me Pablo Capo. Did I just call you Pablo Capo and you're complaining that I did it? Or did you just... Or did I call you Pablo and you're complaining I didn't call you Pablo Capo? The color needs to be slightly darker. Yeah, we probably want a more deep color here. But we have to actually think about which color we want on every level. Right? So in course 1, what do we want the X to be colored like? Probably orange, because it contrasts well with the level. Orange, let's just note down orange for now. Of course the color is going to change per level. If the color wasn't going to change per level, we could make the color transitions a lot more extreme. So we will do that. Will you jump if they accept? Be like, if I accept... No, it will not prevent me from streaming. They said that I can freely pick my hours. Course 2. What would they be like? The problem is that the primary colors are already used. We can also use white eggs. Or black ones. Oh, black would look bad. Purple. Use FF186D. Pinkish. That's actually, yeah, maybe that for level 1, like a pinkish purple, and orange for level 2. Looks bad. I don't remember. Okay. Course 3. This is the mines. The mines. Green. We could all, we already have blue coins in the game. First 4, this is the zoo. Let me just show you the zoo. The zoo looks so pretty since the rework. Look how satisfying this is. These surreal shadows. Brownish yellow. That could also work. And then we could use green here. Let's try it. I'll just note it down for now. Brown to yellow. And green here. Plus 5 to ghost level. I think these ones should just be white. Cyan could look good. Let's use Cyan course 6. Course 7. The level with the Cooper Carnival. Something bluish. The level's already very blue. Green for Cooper Carnival. The zoo isn't that blue. Oh, I mean the zoo is already green. That works for me. Turquoise maybe? What's the difference between cyan and turquoise? Cyan, turquoise. It's literally the same thing, isn't it? It's the same color. Okay, that doesn't work. I mean, expecting different colors on every level is maybe a bit much. And impossible. List of colors. Surely. There's an amaranth color. Why do these even have names? What's the point of this? Okay. What's another one? Yes, we got raided. Fuck it, purple works. Whoops. And in course 8 the regional coins would be Mitch Flower Power rated us. Every single color shade has a name. There's even one called Josh. There's Jet and there's Jonquil. But no Joss. There's Jasmine. There's Japanese Violet. There's Irresistible and Iris. What's up with artists? Why are they so mentally ill to do this? What if we use a greenish yellow? Hello, good. Green, yellow, RGB. We have to make it so that if you load into a course, the Yoshi coin will change its color. When do we best do this? The enemy summon mashup is gone. What? This is a tragedy. We need to make sure that segment F is loaded, and we need to make sure that the egg is changing color. So this seems like an unsolvable problem. Unless we like read RAM and compare values, but that's kind of dumb. I mean, it's gonna be in every course. donation from Beta. Who would have thought? Who would have thunk? Let's go. Rika. We can change this in Mario's behavior. Or we can change this when we reset the area timer. Level init or update. Is this good? This is prettier. Okay, so current music is set. That means that it works. It's just GFX, it's not a struct. Yo, thank you for the sub, Hoodster. This is not Nazi propaganda music now. This was march music during World War I. It was also used during World War II, I believe. But it's not Nazi music, it's just old German music. Small difference. It's literally just a song about the flower. And about how pretty the flower is, and about a girl with the same name as the flower, and about how pretty the girl is. But it's German.
Hey guys.
Hey guy. Check hydration. Hello, Clayman. Wait, we want to use the other one. Oh shit. We want to use this one. And then we want to have GFX, Yoshi, current colors. We want 15 of them. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We're in quiz 8 and we said what color? Green to yellow. So probably something like this. I sure hope this is a full copy. Actually, we only need to copy the second word. Works. Hello, Vampire. Your Steam Deck order got delayed. didn't have to reach to everyone. The composer was in a Nazi party? I mean, I didn't know that. But it seems like if you're alive in Germany, in that time zone, either in a Nazi party, you're gonna get killed. Okay, I don't know if this worked or not, so I'm gonna just set it to black. Let's see what happens. So what's with the Steam Decks and it being delayed? Why don't people just, you know, get it? Apparently they pre-ordered it. Yeah, okay, it didn't work. Quick experiment. Because there's a chance that doing this on startup of a level is a bad idea. Gabe is having to make all of these Steam Decks by himself, poor guy. They're overworking that poor one guy. Heh. It seems to not matter at all. Oh, wait, it's cursed on -1. God, that was dumb. You just overwrote the coin color with the normal coin color. Why would what be a bad idea? And maybe I sometimes say things and immediately forget it because I'm actually working on stuff. Hello. There we go. Yeah, this is, you can see pretty well what the hue transition on here is. See how it goes from blue to orange, yellow. Okay, now we should have the actual final color for the tree. It's a bit annoying walking over there all the time. I might have to like edit the script. Which I think should be just work. Well, we don't know it works now. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 15. That's odd, Ricardo. I was saying German words, I'm sorry. 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8. We are in course 8, right? I miscounted. I started counting at 0. Erica is definitely a marching song. I think that's pretty undeniable. But like, there's nothing Nazi about the song. It's just a song about a flower. I'm not playing it. It's being donated. I am innocent. Do not cancel me. I'm too famous to die. Oh, you can do that. Okay, I think we should continue. Should we continue working on the worm, or should we start programming the egg coins to actually be stored in the EP ROM and make the HUD display for it? What do you guys want to see? Donnerstock stream? Program the coins, please. Alright, we'll program the coins. So we need each coin to have a unique ID. We'll use bperm2 for that. I'll put the other coins right next to the spawn, just so that they're easily accessible. So we have coins ID 0 through 5. 5 coins per level seems generous enough, right? You need to find 3. You get 5 and you get a star. Calling that a Hitler quote is pretty funny. I love how stupidly political my chat gets for no reason. So this should be enough. I just want to watch a random buff guy hack the Marios and talk about the PC port. Fair. I didn't program bperm4? Ah. Oh man, so many warnings in this code. Is there a bracket missing here or something? The first one is around U8, the second is on the... isn't this compiling? Oh wait. This is what I want. Case ASMR? Not again. What's wrong with the ASMR? Compiling ones actually changed my compiler warnings in a way that they only compile if there's potential, and that they only run if there's potential of improving the performance, but I changed them recently, so I'm still working on removing all the warnings in my code. Can you find the source? Okay, let's check what this says. I'll clear this up. This was one of the early radio songs I heard. And Sirens and Bombs. 1993. And later he found out that they were somehow connected, that's what he says. So it came out 1933. It was already out, which was before the World War. This is a different song. He doesn't even talk about the music. Okay, maybe this is a bit too much to just read on stream. I'm sorry if I missed anything important. But I think he's talking about another thing here. ASMR? Sorry bro, you're probably gay. Y'all ready for some gay ASMR? Hello Greenie. Let's... These are like the warnings it's warning me about. When it's like, oh, that one's unused. These three unused. If I'm able to see a hashtag assembly loading? No. Okay, so first, maybe we should somehow indicate whether the icon has already been collected. So we need a way to do that. How do we best... Actually, it probably just shouldn't exist if it's already been collected. Case the hashtag is pronounced C#. What? Really? I know. I'm trolling. Hi Case, bye Case, congrats to the Microsoft, thank you. I want this one here. is how it's supposed to be used, right? It's -1. It's weird that some stuff is 0 indexed and others is not. It's not a very consistent programming. Okay. I guess we kill this. Alright, we are getting rid of coin scores now, and now we can store the egg coins in here instead. This should do it. You can't tell me safe buffer is not defined. Safe buffer undeclared. Okay, we need to include buffers. Alright, now we should be able to store these coins to the EEPROM. Okay, so can you put all my Blender models into Mario 64? I can, but I won't. Dark coins is now pretty much like the comic coins or the star coins or the green stars in Mario 3D Galaxy. I guess star coins is the closest, yeah. But it's not like the green stars at all. It's got nothing to do with the green stars. Song request, here we go. It seems that we have a really high coin score, or a coin score that randomly has all the same bits. No, that's not it. Somehow my guys don't spawn in. I actually think they're very close to the green stars in 3D world. Oh yeah, in a way they are similar to the 3D stars and the green stars in 3D world. That is true. Just not Galaxy and Galaxy 2. Yeah, this is a good comparison. No, Gabi, I don't care about the PC port. If someone else wants to port it to the PC port, then they can do it. But I won't care about it. Oh, wait. I know why they don't export. I didn't parent them to area 1. That was stupid. You still don't like it. I don't see why. I don't see how this isn't in every way superior to the original. Yeah, you're like the only person in the world that likes wearing great stars. Cool. That's progress. Some of Persona's music sounds pretty cool. Oh. How did it compile without passing an argument? What? Another song request. I guess it just assumed the arguments. GCC isn't good at that. I wish it would tell me. Check. It didn't give me a new my file. I did 3db8, and it's the exact same. Cool. I bet it reduced a few jars though. Like, how is it the exact same? That makes no sense. You can literally mod PC port the same way as decomp if you know what you're doing. What? You can mod the PC port? This is revolutionary. Dude, I wish you could mod the PC port. Alright, definitely needs like things. And I want them to count for 25 coins. Or like 20 maybe. 10. The PC board is unmoddable. If you tried, you would cause a singularity. It does not work. Makes you think depending on how you place the jargons, I have to say it's a change for the better, most based on like, yep. I need a super representation of Java actually is like. Enemies like automation and very few anime actually embody what Java is like. Huh. Well, time to get shunned by society. Someone might comment, called Shigeru Miyamoto Twinker Moto today, and I like that. Hello, Nata. This is water, by the way, if you don't know what it is. My digger. That's a German word that means friend. I'm not joking. I don't know how the word came to be, but for some reason Germans say that a lot. Why do you have a massive jug of water on your desk? I drink one of these jugs a day. It's exactly 4 liters, so I know I have enough water in me. You had to pop in. Nata, you are a musician. Any changes you want to make to the Mario 64 audio system? Any new comments you could use in your Mario 64 sequences? Okay, so we also probably need like a HUD overlay, right? That says you collected 1 out of 3 coins, up to 5 out of 3. Yes, 330 is the limit. After that, you're at my mercy. I mean, you also at my mercy before that, but after that, even more. Where should this pop in? We won't have the coin counter at the top right anymore with this new system, so it could pop in over there. And we don't really want to move the coin symbol, do we? Like this? That is pretty cool. That is indeed very cool. Let's do it. We need the sprite for it, and we need a bad sprite for it. I'm just gonna make temporary ones. Yo, Garrett, thank you for the prime. Let me make a bad temporary sprite, and then someone else will make a good sprite. How do you do the falling leaves? Just program it. I'm not sure what the question is. Maybe if you are a bit more specific, I can give you like an extra answer, but for now my answer is just program it. Wow, this looks awful. Wow, this is the worst sprite in the entire world. Maybe we can find one online. A link to what? Oh, you're talking to someone. Hello, Bioback. It's going pretty well. We are currently researching for a Yoshi sprite. Use some kind of particles in a shader for the leaves, or just 3D models falling? It's particles, but it's also 3D models. And they have their own... I don't know what the concept of shader means to N64. Is this a sprite? It's a very nice coin image. I don't think this is gonna scale down well. It needs to be very simplistic because we're on 16 by 16. So something like this is probably good. This. I'm just gonna take one, scale it down for now, and we're not gonna do anything with it. We're just gonna hope someone makes a better sprite. This is... maybe by linear. This is actually awful. Can we maybe actually like find the pixel art of it? Oh no, no, I actually have to go Yoshi egg pixel art. This is a disaster. None of these are even pixel arts. When have we used this as a temporary coin sprite? The outline looks terrible. Well, that's not any better. What's the plan here? We want to make a HUD display, right? Because there's 5 Yoshi coins per level. We want to make a HUD display in the top right. And for every collected one, there will be one that is fully opaque. And the uncollected ones, there will just be a cutout. And it should somewhat resemble these. So we just need kind of like an egg coin sprite. There should be a bit of like a grid of transparency at the left of that sprite. Yes, I agree. This is honestly the closest to what I want. What if I do something like this? This is just awful. I don't think I can make any decent sprite at all. Minecraft X sprite for reference. Huh. Okay, the thing you've sent me kind of works. I mean, it's still hideous. And it's missing the transparency layer. That's also not good. send you the sprite. I seriously doubt that this is gonna work at all, because like, you see how horrifying this looks like now with the outline here? Does this work as an outline? Kinda, not really. But you know what, the main part is that we just import them for now. And then we can still work on it. Right? Because I don't expect my art to actually stay in there. I'm hoping like we actually will get better sprites. Maybe we can even find like a game randomly where we get them from. We just need a temporary placeholder. You sent me another sprite. Let's see if this is less terrible. It still has an outline. I'm not sure what to do about this. Like, you can't just take a big image and scale it down. I'm pretty sure you have to actually set pixels manually here. Oh, we don't need this symbol. Or this symbol. Let's see if they're used. Nope, and nope. Wait. Did I type the 0x? I did. Let's use these two. These need a pixel artist, kinda. No, holy fuck. I am still very skeptical. Still has these half pixels, they won't be in game. What you'll get in game is like you'll get this. This is what you get. Please just please give up on resizing a big image. It won't work. You have to use a sprite. Besides, there's no filtering on the HUD, so it should also be like, the texture should be final. There shouldn't be any After Effects applied, because this is just being copied. I think maybe I should turn these into grayscale ones. Because they have to be used everywhere. What about this one here? Oh, Yoshi's Island definitely has nice eggs. I kind of need a rotated egg so it actually fits the hut well. But these are pretty good. I like them. Yeah, Lila, but most of them are probably asleep. Oh, they're also too big. Check this, it's from an N64 game. This one here. That one's a pretty nice one. Yeah, that's problematic. Yeah, I mean, I can probably do pixel repeat. It kinda works. This might be the best we're gonna get. Something like this. Discord. I think it looks better because it looks like a coin. Okay, but this is not what it will look like. You have semi-transparent pixels in here. You can't actually have that in a texture.
The Stanley Parable is awesome and you'd love it. It takes some serious jabs at the completionist mindset.
That sounds fun, better. I might want to try it. But I don't really have time to play a game. Right, the problem is that we needed to, like, not have this filtering here. Because if it has this filtering, it won't render fine. Although I agree, it looks great in this image, but that's not what it will look like. Use an RGB A32. I would have to change a lot of systems for that. It's possible, but come on. I kind of want to work like this. How do you think I'm so good at Photoshop? Me? I don't think I'm good at Photoshop. Definitely a SpongeBob me boy energy. Oops. There we go. I mean, if we could get a version of this texture that doesn't have the weird filtering, it would work just fine. I also agree that we should have pre-rendered elements and not like sprites like this. Let's see. Maybe I can find the better Yoshi egg. You actually did use the Yoshi icon image from Google, right? Wait, where was the one you sent me first? Let me check that one again. It was this one. Let's see what we can do with this. Maybe if we increase the size of this. To get rid of the filtering. Why can't you split and clamp textures that look bad when you resize it? Split and clamp textures look bad when you resize it? Wait, what? What do you mean? I think this is the best I can get out of the Yoshi egg coin. Which I'm fine with importing this one instead. No, I could totally import like a 64 by 64 and render that on the screen. But obviously that wouldn't look fine on N64. Hello Rosetta. Thank you. Let's see. Wait, let me add this real quick. And then I'll look at your new egg. Yeah, this is quite something, isn't it? I wish it would say what this means. Oh, this means 32, 33. Okay. So right after the star. Star's 53. We should probably just have a table for this, because that will just make this easier. Oh well. What are unused values? What are ASCII symbols that are unused? That I haven't used here yet. Let's see. Let's just open HXD. Well, these are certainly symbols. This one? That's not an ASCII symbol, according to this. None of these are actual symbols. My hex editor is not decoding the correct thing. Oh well. Oh great, this is just the ASCII table I wanted. I think I forgot my glasses. Did we use a percent? We did use a percent. Did we use a dollar symbol? We did not use a dollar symbol. The dollar symbol is 3. Nope, this one's not free. A comma? A comma is also not available. Oh, wait. Hey, the dollar symbol is apparently available. The less than symbol. The less than symbol is available. Woo. I hate this. Alright, he sent me a new egg. Let's see if this works. That could work. It should render as expected. I don't know if it will look good, but I am willing to try it. What's wrong with WinRAR? Shit, I should fix this file too. Pure. Wait, is this function even used? Hope it's not. This shouldn't be here. 253 is const. 26 const. 4 unused variable. And 380 unused parameter glyph index. Huh. Interesting. And forward to unused variable. See, these are my warnings. This is how my warnings work. They just tell you when there's like unused code. So that way, if something's not optimal, I can just fix it. Render hard coins, here we go. And it needs to render. Shit, which symbol did we use? It's use a dollar or a less than symbol. Love it. Great. I think the set color function is outdated. Like it doesn't exist anymore. Because I think we abandoned the system. Let's see it. Did my entire program just work first try? I'm such a fucking god. And the texture looks good too. Are you going to play games after? No. Sorry. Just the last X is a bit cut off. I don't know what this means. Screen width minus the thing. Okay. So this is like 20 minus 78. Okay. I guess we want the maximum to be at like 304, so 224 is the minimum we should have. What do you currently bench? My calculated max is around 315. But the most I've ever done was not that much. That looks beautiful. Hey Sayo, the shaking is weird? Yes, the shaking is weird. Because it's still the coin counter thing. And also has to look good on every level, unrelated of the coin color. So I'm not sure if I don't want a grayscale. There will not be a coin counter in the level. The coin counter will only be in the overworld. We don't want to fake players into thinking that there's a 100 coin star. So we have to remove that. So right now we will have the problem that the coin counter will show up like this, but it should show up when you get a new coin. So this has to change. This should do it. It's not compiling. By the way, doing that isn't supposed to be wrong if you use it more than once. What? You're not supposed to make variables. It's different if you have a function call and know that the function call isn't going to change the variable that you want to read. But there's a function call here. So GCC will optimize this all the same. Okay, it's a bit weird that there's no more coin count here. I feel like that needs to be a separate thing then. How do we handle the coin counter then? Honestly, isn't too shocking. It feels weird because you're expecting it. So do we just add the coins to the player's coin counter in the overworld? Or to the pause menu? Hello Zelda? I mean, I think it would be good if it was only in the overworld or something. The big thing about the coin counter is that we don't want to make the player think that there's a reward for 100 coins. And I'd like to wordlessly communicate that. Yeah, it's gonna be a global coin counter server. But imagine a player boots up the game, and the first thing they do is try to collect 100 coins, and they're not getting a star for it. That's my worry. So maybe it is best to just only have the coin counter be in the overworld. Just like Odyssey. How does Odyssey do it? What do you with the coins? We're probably just gonna put in customs that you can buy in the overworld. Check Discord for your concept. Okay, but this doesn't address the issue I have with this. The problem is that this will trick players into thinking that there's 100 coin stars. Global counter anyways, what do you mean? What's different from that to what I said? Okay, now if the player wants to grind a level to get coins, they're gonna want to know how much they got in a level. Yeah, that's why I'm thinking of adding it to the pause menu store. But just not the overlay. Hello Buzzard. Hello Kong. Okay, I'll just have it in the pause menu. I think that is a good way to do it. Okay, back to this. That was a good song. Can't you just do a no coin star message and not grindable coins? Once grabbed, forever gone? Nope. So about pause menu coins. We are thinking of showing the coins in the pause menu, because you can no longer get one on coin stars. What if I just had like a U64 coin counter? Filler is too large, that's what I thought. I don't want to kill safe state Yoshi. How very sad. Yo, thank you for the sub, Evacom. No 10 before bot time? I do like the playtime counter too, though. Painful. Oh wait, I can reduce the size of the filler.
It's Caseo.
It's Simple Flips, LMFAO. What's up? Did you see the intimidating video I sent you, Simple Flips? Afterwards I realized that my wife was wearing your merch, so it's kind of a dot. Oh, the subtrahend is D6 here. Oh, so the fella is negative then. I see. Thought it was intentional. I mean, it's pretty cool, Bridge. We wear it all the time. This man has a wife, so heteronormative. I can't believe he would do this to us. Okay, we're just gonna remove the safe block signature. I think this should do it. We're right now in the process of adding global coins. How the fuck did that not work? Oh, because I didn't remove this. We're adding a global coin count, and instead of collecting 100 coins, you're gonna collect Yoshi coins per level. They look like this. Because everyone hates 100 coin stars, and every time I make a 100 coin star, people hate it. Coins are easy to get. Yeah, but they're not really that fun. The cool thing about the Yoshi X is that we can put in like crazy shit, and then you get them from doing like there's a womp and you have to massage them or something. Right, just random shit where it's like you interact with something or you would never think to do this, but if you do it you get the egg. And you only have to find 3 out of 5. So we can actually just go with crazy shit. Okay. To maintain that having to get 3 out of 5 is a terrible idea. But if you don't get 3 out of 5, then it's gonna be like really frustrating to find them all, isn't it? How are we gonna give the player a hint on how to find the missing ones? I think you get the reward for getting halfway to the top and no reward for getting all the way up. Yeah, kinda. Well, the problem is that the more coins you have, the harder it's gonna get. And like the last one is gonna be so hard to find. Hey, Casey, you should check this out. I don't wanna. I'm busy working. I wanna click on your random links. Will the HUD still display 5 slots if only 3 are required? That's actually a good question. Would it maybe be better to make it so you only have to find 3 eggs and like only 3 eggs are even on the HUD and the other 2 are just like existing and you can find them or not find them? Like we don't even acknowledge their existence. What do you do with the global currency? The idea was you buy random costumes, usually like hats, like stupid shit. That makes it feel like an oversight. I mean, it would happen in every level though. Wouldn't that be good? That's dumb. It would frustrate people. The idea is to deter people from even trying to find all of them. Because I already know, every time someone tries to get every piece of content in the game, they end up like just hating it. I think that's exactly why Bro would put 6 out of 8 red coins, so people don't think they have to get all 8. Right? That's the idea, I think. Because technically you didn't get everything, but the save file says you get everything. Then design the game better. It's not possible. You're a completionist by choice. Yeah, but every time people are completionists, and then they complain that they are completionists. I don't want this part. Here we go. Usually like this approach, it's always cool to have a few backup plexes, you don't have to pay for the last one. The dunking can say if you're reacting, even that the HUD doesn't show you get 1 or 2%. So you mean easier to say for 1% than real 1%? I can read that by hiding the two missing Yoshi coins would make people confused. What? That killed everything for some reason. Oh wait, it's just the coin score now. Oh, I see. The text is missing. The my score text is missing. I should copy this over from a clean repo. I think I accidentally killed this function. I probably had the reason to, but that reason no longer applies. Make it so you use your coins to buy an egg radar. Thinking about how to implement that right now. Wait, the text is here. There we go. Yeah, there it says coins. I think the position of this is not good. We should put this somewhere else. Maybe at the... maybe here, at the top, next to these two. What is D1? Like 192? What's like 193? Oh shit, one is moving up, the other is moving down. This is gonna be painful. Wait, it's the other way around. What about the collecting sound? Isn't there like a cute Yoshi noise we can do? I want a cute little Yoshi noise. Oh, a radar giving you a hint. That is not bad, yes. What do you mean? What does hard-coded mean to you, Droid Seeker? That word doesn't make any sense in this context. Hard-coded is more like a buzzword that bad modders use when they want to say that they can't change something because they're bad. Maybe it should say in bank or something. I feel like the coins thing is just really bad now that I see it like this. The computer setup seems to show an error distance when you're close to it. God damn, you're making me a lot of extra work, but it's technically possible. Although it will be weird with warps. I want to move it further to the left. Isn't this a cute Yoshi sound? Let's see it.
Yoshi!
It's not a coin sound. It should be a cute Yoshi coin sound. It's a difficult requirement to fulfill. That's a 7-hour video. The startup sound at the beginning. Yes, that's a cute sound. I like that. Coins make no more noise. I need to fix that. Did it even compile? It did not compile. You like the Yoshi coin nose? It's also not bad. There we go. Now it has a noise again. I still have 0 stars. Don't like that. I don't know why or how my save file got reset to nothing. That's not good. I mean, I did change some stuff here, but it shouldn't have changed it like that. Is it because I'm an emulator and it just overrode my whole thing? I should probably just always return true here. I think this was some sort of anti-cheating method. I don't know, I hope the save file still loads somehow. Discord, okay, give me a second. I don't know, if we're lucky we have our file back, and if we're unlucky the file's just deleted. Yeah, I think our file is deleted. That sucks, because the level intro is really, really bad. Let me check on my N64 whether the save file is still valid. Because if it isn't, then that's extremely annoying. Because it's gonna be slightly problematic for testing. It's no big deal. Like, it doesn't have any implications on the game. It just makes testing harder. Because I have to collect the stars again. But yes, there's an anti-cheat method that just disabled or deleted my save file, basically. As far as I can tell. Yeah, okay, my save file still exists. Okay, the save file is the exact same. Just stupid emulator deleted itself. Oh well. All is good. Alright, well, I guess... What else do we need to do for the egg coin? Add a sound? So we want the Yoshi's Island startup noise? What music is playing right now? Oh, it's Mario Kart. Discord. Yeah, I want this one. This one sounds very nice. Oh boy. I don't know if you guys can actually hear it. It's playing out of my other headphones. Should work though. You can? Okay. Because I can't. What the fuck? Okay, we don't want this to be in the sliding stuff noise bank. Should this be maybe in the menu sounds? Is this it? It should be in the menu not sounds. 08 Yoshi coin. Oh yeah, I added the red coin sample. This is really weird, but there is a function in Mario 64 to generate like waves, and they used this only for the red coin sound, and it added a lot of lag to the audio system, like 40 microseconds. And removing it by actually putting a higher quality sample in instead of that reduced lag. So that's very silly that they programmed this functionality to just make the game worse. Probably took a lot of work. Very sad. It was 96, I could have known. So there's 5 of those, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There's 8 secret sounds. Okay, well, sound menu Yoshi coin. I'm just gonna assume that I can use these to my liking. Alright, let's see how this sounds. God, adding sound effects with decomp is so much easier. It feels so good. We have suffered for so long. And now I can just move it in there. It sounds so good. I love it. Why don't you use the melee Mario sounds? Because that would be very off-putting for anyone who's played Mario 64. And the Mini Mario sounds all pitched wrong. That'd be like importing a low poly Mario Galaxy model or something. And you can still see the coin count here, if you really want that. I am better at this level than you. Thoughts? I don't know. I haven't seen you play it yet. I'm pretty sure I have world record in this. I actually, factually, have world records in at least like 15, 16 unreleased ROM mechs. It's a lot more than you. And you will never beat me because you will never have the game. It is messed up, but I probably have the most ROM mech speedrun world records in the entire world. And no one can stop me. What do you think about GNU C compiler? Sometimes I love GCC, sometimes I hate GCC. Should there be a special noise when you find the last one? Like a little fanfare? I think there should be a special sound for the last one. I sent one to you and you ghosted me. You sent me what? I don't see anything. I want to make a fanfare for this. Yoshi coin fanfare. There's another hacky. Oh. Well. Let's see, we have 5 of them, so that's 1F. I'm gonna take the 1-up jingle and I'm gonna transpose it into the Yoshi one. One up here. 1-up. Collect 1-up here. That should work. We might have to transpose this, but I think this will be fine. So I'm pretty sure Mini Mario is just Mario 6 or something, but higher quality. Am I wrong? Is Mini Mario just... I think some of them are not pitched correctly. And I think that Mario's voice effects are already the maximum audio quality that the N64 can output without changing the whole RSP coding thing. Shit. I need to do this. Dude, this is the with motion controls theme. I miss Mario Kart Wii. Oh my god, that sounded cute. I love it. when you get the last coin. Yes, the sounds are code. I am programming sounds. Could be a little shy. You get it when you get all 5, right? So this is like a huge achievement. I think it can be long. What she's sending me. No. How am I gonna make that sound? How am I gonna program that noise? I already had a hard time doing this one. So we're gonna do with the region coins. The plan is if you get 3 out of 5 of them, you get a star. And in exchange, we abandon the 100 coin star. You can get all 5, but there is no reward for it. So overall, it should hopefully be less frustrating than 100 coins. Because people fall off on the 100 coins and they hate it. Or they collect coins and then they come across a star and they hate it. Right? The 100 coins feel so restrictive on you. It's like, oh great, I came all the way here and I have to do it again. Which I guess isn't too bad if the game's fun, but like still, why? That's why stars shouldn't kick you out. I mean, that's also an option, but we'd have to restructure the whole game and we're not doing that 8 courses in. Anyway, I think we're done for today. Next time, maybe we can start putting some coins. We can make different color coins. But for today, I am finished. And I'll see you guys in the next stream, which will be tomorrow. Bye-bye.